Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best budget bandsaws that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. Also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Rikon 10-305 bandsaw. The Rikon 10-305 bandsaw is one of the best budget bandsaws you can find in the market. In addition to being affordable, this tool comes with many great features. This is a 10-inch bandsaw, and it is more suited for professionals. It comes with a powerful 1/3 of a horsepower motor, which is great for a wide range of applications. This bandsaw is basically designed to cut wood, but you can use it to cut other materials such as metal or plastic. Many users love this tool because of its durability and design. This model is made of steel, which contributes to the sturdiness and rigidness of the machine. It comes with an inbuilt knob system that makes the guidepost very easy to adjust. This machine comes with a very spacious cast iron table. Moving on, at number 4, we have the WEN 3962 2-speed bandsaw. The second on our list of the best pocket-friendly bandsaws is the WEN 3962 bandsaw. This tool makes a great companion for any workshop. This is a 10 inches tool that boasts of a considerably smaller footprint. Nevertheless, the size of the machine did not compromise its performance. It does not occupy much space, thanks to its compact design. Regardless of its compact build, this tool comes with a very spacious table that measures 14.125 by 12.5 inches. The work table is made out of aluminum, which makes it durable and strong enough to carry any material. Furthermore, the table of this machine comes with a bevel capacity of up to 45 degrees to the right. With this, you can make angled cuts of up to 6 inches deep. At number 3, we have the DeWalt DWM-120K Portable Bandsaw. If you are looking for a budget-friendly yet powerful bandsaw that you can use to handle tough projects, you should consider the DeWalt DWM-120K Portable Bandsaw. This tool is suitable for a wide range of applications, and it can handle any tough job without getting bogged down. This machine comes with a 10-amp motor that delivers a variable speed ranging from 100 to 350 square feet per minute, SPM. It also has a variable speed dial that allows you to choose the perfect speed for any material you want to cut. This machine also comes with a serviceable shroud that is made of steel alongside rubber bumpers. With these features, the guards of the saw can withstand any abuse on job sites for durable, optimal performance. If you are in an environment with poor lit conditions, this machine has got you covered as it comes with an LED light to provide you with a visible line of cut. At number 2, we have the JWBS14DXPRO Band Saw Kit. The JWBS14DXPRO Band Saw is one of the best budget-friendly bandsaws in the market. This is a professional-style, high-end machine that can cut through an array of materials including metal, wood, and more. It comes with a dual-speed Poly-V belt drive system with a no-load speed of 1,500 and 3,000 SFPM. This variable speed feature allows for extreme precision when cutting through materials. With this feature, you can customize your cutting speed based on the materials you want to cut. It is a benchtop bandsaw that features a cutting surface of 15 inches by 5 inches. This is a pretty large cutting surface, and it can slice into materials with a height of 12 inches and a width of 13.5 inches. It is also one of the most versatile machines on our list, as it comes with a resawing function. And finally, at number 1, we have the Grizzly Industrial GO555 Bandsaw. Are you looking for a highly durable bandsaw that will not leave a hole in your pocket? Search no more, as the Grizzly Industrial GO555 bandsaw is what you need. This budget-friendly bandsaw made it to our list because of its ease of use, sturdy construction, and other great features. Many experienced and professional woodworkers use this machine because of its optimal performance and durability. This is a 14-inch bandsaw that is made in Taiwan, and it comes with cast iron aluminum wheels. It features a maximum cutting height of 6 inches, but you can increase this to 12 inches by investing in a riser kit if you want. This machine comes with a 1 HP motor that is capable of cutting through a wide range of materials. The cutting capacity at the throat is 13.5 inches. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.